So in this video, I will guide you step by step how you can play Fortnite on your Mac device. So step number one will be to head over to a browser, and then you want to head over to play.geforcenow.com. You then want to create a brand new account, and then we can then go to the top left hand corner to the three lines, and then you want to click on settings. From here, you want to go down to connections, and then we simply need to connect our Epic Games account to our GeForce Now account. Once we do this, what we can then do is go back, go to games, and then you will then see Fortnite. If you do not see Fortnite, you can simply search for it in the search bar here at the top, and then you can then click on play. Now, as you can see, you will then be placed in a queue. Now, you'll be placed in a queue unless you buy a premium version of GeForce Now, but you can play it for free on the free plan. Now, once the 40 has counted down and you're first in the queue, you will then be able to play Fortnite on your Mac, and currently this is the only way that you will be able to do it on this device.